Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I will give you information about Egypt. Welcome to Egypt, a land steeped in mystery, ancient history, and awe-inspiring monuments. Home to one of the world's oldest civilizations, Egypt invites you to journey through time, where stories of pharaohs, gods, and monumental architecture come alive. In today's video, we'll explore Egypt's top destinations, its captivating culture, and the unforgettable experiences that await you in this magical country. Our journey begins in Cairo, Egypt's sprawling capital, a city that pulsates with life, history, and culture. From the ancient to the modern, Cairo is a fascinating blend of past and present. The heart of this incredible city lies along the banks of the Nile River, the longest river in the world, which has sustained Egyptian civilization for thousands of years. A great place to start your Egyptian adventure is at the Egyptian Museum. Housing over 120,000 artifacts, it's one of the most important museums in the world. Here, you'll come face to face with Tutankhamun's treasures, ancient mummies, and statues of Egypt's most powerful pharaohs. Every artifact tells a story, giving you a deeper understanding of Egypt's rich and intricate history. Of course, no visit to Egypt is complete without seeing the Great Pyramids of Giza, one of the 7 wonders of the ancient world. These colossal structures, built as tombs for the pharaohs, have stood for over 4,500 years, continuing to awe and inspire visitors from around the globe. The Pyramid of Khufu, the largest of the 3, was the tallest man-made structure in the world for millennia. Exploring the pyramids is an unforgettable experience. You can walk among these towering monuments, explore their intricate passages, or take a camel ride across the desert for a truly authentic experience. Don't forget to visit the nearby Great Sphinx, the mysterious half-lion, half-human statue that has watched over the pyramids for centuries. After exploring the ancient wonders of Cairo, it's time to relax and experience Egypt's greatest natural treasure, the Nile River. The Nile has been the lifeblood of Egypt for thousands of years, providing fertile land, transport, and a source of life. One of the best ways to experience the Nile is by taking a traditional felucca ride, where you can enjoy a peaceful sail at sunset with breathtaking views of the city and riverbanks. For those seeking a more luxurious experience, consider a Nile River cruise. These multi-day journeys take you from Cairo to the southern cities of Luxor and Aswan, with stops at some of Egypt's most iconic archaeological sites. While cruising, you'll be treated to world-class dining, cultural performances, and opportunities to relax as the beauty of the Nile glides by. Next, we head to Luxor, often referred to as the world's greatest open-air museum. Luxor was once the ancient city of Thebes, the capital of Egypt during the height of the New Kingdom. Here, you'll find 2 of the most impressive temples in all of Egypt, Karnak Temple and Luxor Temple. Karnak Temple is the largest religious complex ever built. Walking through its towering columns and monumental statues, you can feel the power and grandeur of ancient Egyptian civilization. The sheer scale of the temple is overwhelming, with each pharaoh adding to the structure over centuries. The hypostyle hall, with its 134 massive columns, is a masterpiece of ancient architecture. Just a short distance away is Luxor Temple, which comes to life beautifully at night when it's illuminated, casting an otherworldly glow over the ancient stones. Don't miss the Avenue of Sphinxes, a 2.7 km long road lined with Sphinx statues that once connected Luxor Temple to Karnak Temple. Recently restored, walking this ancient path feels like stepping back in time. Across the Nile on the west bank lies the Valley of the Kings, where the pharaohs of the New Kingdom were buried in elaborate tombs hidden deep within the mountains. The most famous of these is the tomb of Tutankhamun, where the boy king's mummy and treasures were discovered by Howard Carter in 1922. Although many tombs were looted in antiquity, their grandeur and decoration still leave visitors in awe. Inside the tombs, the walls are adorned with colorful hieroglyphs and intricate paintings, depicting scenes from the Book of the Dead and other religious texts meant to guide the pharaohs in the afterlife. It's a fascinating glimpse into the spiritual beliefs and practices of the ancient Egyptians. Further south, we arrive in Aswan, a serene and picturesque city known for its breathtaking views of the Nile and its historical significance. One of the highlights of Aswan is the Philae Temple, dedicated to the goddess Isis. The temple was relocated to Ajilkia Island after the construction of the Aswan High Dam, which created Lake Nasser. Philae Temple is a beautiful example of Ptolemaic architecture, with its detailed carvings and columns reflecting Egypt's religious traditions during the Greco-Roman period. Aswan is also the gateway to Abu Simbel, the massive temple complex built by Ramses II. These colossal statues were also relocated to protect them from the rising waters of Lake Nasser, and their size and grandeur are truly breathtaking. Back in Cairo, be sure to visit the Khan el-Khalili Bazaar, one of the largest and oldest markets in the Middle East. Here, you can get lost in the maze of narrow alleys, browsing stalls filled with spices, perfumes, jewelry, and traditional crafts. It's the perfect place to pick up unique souvenirs and experience the vibrant energy of Egyptian markets. Speaking of immersion, one of the best ways to experience Egypt is through its food. Egyptian cuisine is a delightful mix of flavors and textures, with influences from the Middle East and the Mediterranean. Be sure to try koshari, a delicious blend of lentils, rice, pasta, and a tangy tomato sauce. Another must-try is falafel, crispy fried chickpea patties served with fresh salads and dips. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel for more such videos.